Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-string fingerpicking, and in this lesson we're learning a relatively easy fingerstyle arrangement of Take Me Home, Country Roads. You want to start by playing the G string open twice, okay, and then you're in whilst holding down a C chord. So you hold your C chord down and then play the G string open twice. And then what you want to do, still holding down a C chord, is you want to play the second fret on the third string with the fifth string, which will of course be the third fret. Okay, so you're going, okay. Then take your second finger and move that back to the second fret on the D string or the fourth string, play that, and then play open third string. So you've gone, okay? And then we're going to play the bass note again, which will be the fifth string, of course the third fret. And then I like to walk down to A minor. So after I play that third fret on the fifth string, I'll then play the second fret. So, and then on to A minor, so we hold down A minor. I'm going to play the fifth string open, followed by the fourth string, which will of course be on the second fret, and then play the third string and the fifth string together. Okay, so, and then lift off your third finger on the third string, so to make it open, and play that with the fourth string, which will be the second fret, and then put it straight back on. So, okay. And then play the bass note again, so the A string, and then play the second string and the fourth string together, followed by the open fifth string. And then if you want to, you can play the second fret on the low E string, the sixth string, walking up to the note of G, to the third fret for your G chord. But you don't have to if you don't want to. You could just play like that if you want to, whatever works for you. So far. Straight into a G chord. And I'm playing my G like this, so I'm holding down the third fret on the sixth string and also the third fret on the second string using my third and fourth finger. So hold those down and then play the second and the sixth string together. And then the second string again. Followed by the D string or the fourth string open. Okay, then still in that position, play the high E, which will be open, with the low E. Then the fourth string, and then the second string, back to the sixth, and then the fourth. Okay, so the whole of the G. And then we go to our F. Now you can play a full bar chord, but actually I do recommend, being fingerstyle, it's actually really useful if you can train your thumb to come around the back and play your chords like this. It's so useful because it frees up other fingers to pull out the more melodic notes. So if you're not used to it, I really strongly encourage you to try using your thumb over the top there. So once we do that, we're holding down our F with the first fret held down with our thumb on the low E string. That's our chord. Play the sixth string and the third string together. And then the third string and the fourth string together. So. And then we go back and play the third string with the sixth string again. But we want to pull off that second finger on the third string. So second fret to open. Okay, then it goes back on and play it with the D string, so the fourth string. So, and then catch the second string, first fret. So that's quite hard. Okay, so far. That goes back to C. Holding down a full C chord, play the 5th string, followed by the 4th, and then 5. And then you could just play the 4th again, but I like to put the 3rd string in between like this. Oh, sorry. And just do that twice. So the thumb's alternating, and it's alternating a lot on the chord, so really watch out for that. Okay, so that's the first 8 bars of the verse. So the second half of the verse is very similar to the first half. Chord progression is exactly the same, but the melody is ever so slightly different, and it sounds like this. That leads into your chorus. So on the C chord, play the 5th string, followed by the 4th. That's your alternating thumb. So then your thumb goes back and plays the 5th string again, but this time play it with the open G string or the open 3rd string. And then the thumb goes to the 4th string again after that, but play that with the open G again. So. And then we play the 2nd fret on the G string or the 3rd string with the 5th string 3rd fret. So. And then we go back to the 4th string 2nd fret, play open 3rd string after that, and then we walk down to our A minor chord. So, and then holding down an A minor chord, play the 5th string and the 3rd string together, then the 4th, then the 2nd, then back to the 5th, and then the 4th and the 1st together. So you've gone. And then still on A minor, play the open 1st string with the open 5th string, then the 4th string, and then the 5th. So that bar. And then you can play the 2nd fret on the low E string. You don't have to use your thumb, you can use your 2nd finger if you want. Play that, and then that's just walking up to the G, just like before. So here's the A minor. To a G, holding down G just like before. Remember, that's the B string, second string 3rd fret, and the 6th string 3rd fret. Hold those together, play them, both those strings together, followed by the 4th, the 2nd, the 6th, 3rd, 4th, and then 1st. So that's. Let's stay on that chord and play the 6th string, followed by the 4th, the 2nd, the 6th, and then the 4th. See, the thumb is alternating. So here's the G. And it's just the F left, so go back to the F just like before, and then holding that, remember use your thumb on the 1st fret of the low E string, play the 6th string with the 3rd string, then the 2nd string, so followed by the 4th, and then the 2 and the 6 together. So you've gone. And then take your pinky, put it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, play that with the 4th string. Okay? And then you go back to C. And hold it down to C, just play the 2nd string and the 4th string and the 5th string together. And that will link you to the chorus. So I'll go right the way back to the beginning of the verse. I'll play it through for you nice and slow, and play along once you've practiced it. 1, 2, 3. Roads. Okay, and then that goes into the chorus. Which, if you're watching this on YouTube, that lesson is available, as it always is. The full lesson is available on the website, so just follow the links through and you'll get the rest of the lesson right away. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com, where you can get the remainder of this lesson and loads more fingerstyle guitar lessons. I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.